Hello, welcome to Big Device. In this video, we are going to see the post-sale service app. This post-sale service app is very useful for the people who are doing business of service, after-sale service, and any service request received from the customers. Let us see what are the benefits. So this is the post-sale app, which is the boon for the service providers who are able to do the customer service and receive complaint for that. And it has extraordinary features with affordable cost. So it is helpful for receiving customer complaints or service requests through the app. And once it is received, you can assign an employee for that particular issue and you can track the employee status and you can check the request details. And you have also a payment gateway online integration so that you can receive payments online. Then you have the customers who can raise not only the complaints, they can record their audio, voice, and they can share the picture through the app. And the best thing here is the app will be available in your own brand name in the Play Store at the affordable cost. Let us see how it works. This post-sale service app, which is published in the Play Store in your own brand name. Now your customer downloads the app and they register the complaint and the service request. Now the customer requests us this particular complaint. These details will be shared to the admin. Admin will have the access to the software. He can check the details of the customer request. And admin will assign an employee. If he doesn't have any employee, he can assign by himself and see the details. Now the employee has the login. He can use the app to check what are the complaints which has assigned to him. And he can see the view details and he can also check the audio and picture. Once the issue is fixed, he can close the complaint. All the notification can be communicated to the customer through the email or SMS. So when the customer raises a complaint, he will receive a notification of acknowledgement that he has raised a complaint to the mail that complaint has been received. And once the complaint is closed, the customer will receive notification that the complaint has been closed. So this is the work done in this app. Let us see the live demo. So the first thing here is the admin software. This is a BigDibis aftersales.in. I am inside the company master. The company master is nothing but the about us features which is available in the app. When your customers download the app, he can see your details about us. Like what is your company name, mobile number, contact details, and also address details, whatever you're providing here will be reflected in the app. And not only that, you can restrict yourself that the customers can, from this particular location alone, can raise the complaint that you are limited to your services to particular location. No, if you want to make it globally visible, then you can have option here to check this box if your service is available in all the locations so that the restriction won't be there. Your customers from anywhere they can raise a complaint. And not only that, you have the option to set opening and closing hours about this app. This is nothing but if you want to maintain any from and to hours, that particular time is limited to raise complaint that between, for example, 10 o'clock till evening 6 o'clock. Only this time is available to raise the complaint. And after that, you have the configuration to change the email from which you want your customers to receive a notification. You can change your email and you can change the logo of your company also. So the customer can see all the details from here. And as I told earlier, you have employee master where these complaints can be assigned to him. So you can create employees here so that the employees have their login, they can access to the app and they check the details. So you have username and password to make the employee accessible. If you want to add employee, you can do that. If you want to remove any employee, you have the option. If you want to change the details, you can do the same thing. So this is the issue list. The issue list is nothing but when you want to provide what kind of services you are providing. For example, demo you can provide, maintenance, installation, cleaning service, technical visit. Similar way, you can make any issue list or service list in the so that your customers can choose from the app itself. You can make any changes from here. You can add you have option to add here. You can have option to edit or delete the issue list or service list. You have the expense detail to be added. So you can create expense types. What are the expense type you're incurring in your office? Like material expenses, rent, traveling. All the names can be listed out here. and what are the expenses you incur can be entered in the add expense details. So you can choose the name of the expenses and you can enter the date when this happened and the amount and notes about that. So I have added a something expense like travel 5,000 on the date and what are the notes for that. Similarly, you can create the expenses. Now this is the main thing like complaints. So what are the complaints you are receiving from the app is listed here. I'll explain you after showing the app. So I'll open and I'll open the app and I'll raise a complaint and come here. So the payments. So what are the payments you have received for a particular customer? You can enter all those details here. And we'll first of all navigate to the app right now. So I have connected my mobile with the AnyDesk. I'll explain you. So I'll connect my app. So I already downloaded the app. The name is Bigtibus Post Sale Service App. The same way app will be published in your own brand name. If it is ABC services, the ABC services will be the name of the app where the customers can download and use the app. So you can see the first thing here in the app is the register option. When you click the register, your customers can register their mobile number, name, company, and if they have company can otherwise they can leave these details and enter the address detail, email for receiving the complaint acknowledgement. If he is an existing customer, when he enters the mobile number, automatically the customer previous detail will be entered automatically. So I'm the existing customer, so my details are filled automatically. I have to select my PIN code where the particular person who comes to my home. So I have to select what is the issue. So I want maintenance. So I'm selecting the date. Today the current date is selected. You can choose, the customer can choose any date when they want to make and the time. So I'm choosing the time also. I have to enter the details about the description. Washing machine maintenance. So after this, you can see the customer can record their voice about their particular issue. I'm recording the voice. I have a issue in washing machine. The name is Samsung. Please come and see this. So the customer can also check the using the play button to verify their voice is recorded properly.
I have a issue in washing machine. The name is Samsung. Please come and see this.
So if it is working perfectly, can continue. Otherwise, he can make any recording again. And you have the option to upload image along with that to help this particular details for the particular employee to check it very easily. So continue. It will automatically navigate to me. I'm having issue with this washing machine named Samsung. So automatically it navigates to the next one. The complaint has been recorded. The transport expenses is shown here. Now I can enter any comments like please come soon. So I submit it. So once the particular complaint is registered, it will be navigate it to me the home page. The complaint is done successfully. Now I'll go to the administrator for you and show you what is the complaint received. I'll refresh this page. Now my name is Priya. So you can see the appointment date or complaint date which has been raised with at the top. So this is the first one what I have mentioned here. So I can verify this one also. So I check this complaint, the complaint list. This is the first one. It loads here. The name, the complaint ID is 35. You can see here. Once you navigate on right side, you can have the option to see what is the issue. You can hear the voice and you can check these details and you can assign any employee. So I assign The employee name appears here. I choose Raja here and I submit. Now Raja will receive notification in this app. Now he can see the details. What is the complaint? Okay. So now I go to Raja app. Once I assign, I can go to Raja app. I'm sharing my screen again. I have another app here, Employee Post Sale Service app. So I click on that and I have the login of Raja. Now Raja can see the complaint. What is the issue? What is the complaint name? Who has made a complaint? Mobile number. If you want to see more details, you have the view detail option here. So I click on that. It shows me the voice of what is the recorded by the customer.
I'm having issue with this washing machine named Samsung.
So the voice can be heard, and the customers, if he has any picture shared, that can also be seen, and you can see the complaint name, who's the complaint date, the complaint name, then mobile number, email address, pin code, and all the details and description what has been shared by the customer. Now, if he completes the issue, can click that this complete button. Automatically, the issue is closed. Okay, this has been completed. Now status has become completed. Now the customer will receive notification that the issue has been completed through the email or SMS. Now let us see what is happening in the admin also. The admin should know that what is the status and what are the details, right? So when he refresh it, he can see that this particular issue has been closed, which has been raised on 28th. Now he has option to see the completed options alone. What we saw previously, all the pending services requested by the customer. Now we can filter the only the completed one and who is the in charge, who has completed the particular issue, what is assigned. We can see here it has been assigned and has been completed. Now, if the customer or the particular the owner or admin, if he cancels the one which is not valid, he can see only the cancelled one. So he can see here the many cancelled which has been not valid has been cancelled by the administrator. He can choose it between. So he can see what is complaint pending, what are complaints completed, what are complaints cancelled. So once this is done, you can see a payment. So the employee has gone to the customer place, he has completed all the issues, he has closed the issue. Now he has received the payment. That payment can be entered here for the particular issue. So my complaint number, what I have raised is 35. The 35, when I click the name of the customer, mobile number, date which has been raised, that comes here. Now I can enter the cost of that. I have 800 rupees is the service cost for washing machine service by Raja. So I mentioned this details for my future references. Now I can see all the reports. Once the that is payment is received, you can see the reports like what is the total number of complaints received till the date. You can see here for from date and to date. So you can see for week, for month, for year, you can choose anything. So same way you have the complaint charges. What are the complaint charges you have payments received that from and to dates. You can see for a particular week or particular month, you can see how much amount you have received from the customer. So 1500 I have received for this month alone. I can see based on the issue, date, name, and you can see that details. So what are the expenses you have incurred till the date can be seen here. Total number of expenses you have incurred for a particular date, or you can see for a week or a month. So I have options here. Okay, no expense I have incurred till the date. Then office details. So this is the office report. So what are the office reports? What is payment which has been received is the office report. So assigned complaint. So what is the based on the employees? So you can see here, you can see all the employees who have completed the issue. So this is a completed one. Sometimes the employee would have not completed. You can see what are the pending which has been assigned but not yet completed. So you can see here all the issues have been completed. This is the basic details about the post sale service app. If you have any queries, you can contact us through a mobile number 9123 515 998. We will share your demo link. Thank you for watching this video.